Dear students, Class 10 Geography, Chapter Mineral and Energy Resources, Part 1. Today we will study this chapter. A mineral is an aggregate of two or more than two elements. A mineral has a definite chemical composition and is formed by inorganic processes. Minerals generally occur in the earth's crust. It is extracted in the form of ore, processed and used for various purposes. Types and minerals. Normally, minerals are found in two forms: metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals. These minerals contain metals and are generally found in igneous rocks. They provide a strong base for the development of metallurgical industry and hence are vital for the industrialization and economic growth of the country. Example: iron ore, manganese, nickel and copper. Non-metallic minerals. These minerals do not contain metals and are found in sedimentary rocks. Example: mica, limestone, gypsum, etc. Minerals are non-renewable resources, that is, they are exhaustible. It is not easy to replace them. They should be conserved and not misused. Distribution and uses of minerals. Iron ore. Types of iron ore. Iron ore is the backbone of our modern industries. Iron exists in the form of iron ore and contains varying percentage of iron. There are four varieties of iron ore: magnetite, hematite, limonite and siderite. First is magnetite. This is the best quality of iron ore and it contains 72% of pure iron. It is reddish in color and has magnetic properties, hence it is called magnetite. It is used in industries as ore of iron and in manufacturing steel. It is found in Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. It is used to produce pigments. Second is hematite. It contains about 60 to 70% of pure iron. It is found in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Third is limonite. It is yellowish in color. It contains 40% to 60% of pure iron. It is yellow or brown in color. It is inferior in quality. It is found in Raniganj, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh. Limonite is used as a pigment in the manufacture of paints. Fourth is siderite. It is an inferior ore and has many impurities. It has only 10 to 40% of pure iron. It is self-fluxing due to presence of lime. It is found in Gujarat, Karnataka, Himachal Pradesh and Rajasthan. Siderite is economically important for steel production. Uses of lower grade iron ore. The lower grade iron ore is compacted and converted into pellets for export. It is also used as sponge iron for blending with high grade ore. Uses of iron ore. Iron is used mainly for making pig iron, sponge iron and steel. Iron and steel together form the largest manufactured products in the world. It is used widely in construction of roads, railways, appliances, buildings, machines, tools and automobiles. Steel is used in a variety of other construction materials such as bolts, nails and screws. Other applications include shipbuilding, pipeline transport, mining, furniture and armor like personal armor and vehicle armor. Distribution of iron ore in India. Most of the iron ore in India comes from peninsular India. India has the world's largest reserves of iron ore. Odisha, Jharkhand, Goa, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu are the important producers of iron ore in India. Karnataka has large reserves of magnetite and hematite. Chhattisgarh is a major producer of iron ore in India, and Odisha is the largest producer of iron ore. Next is manganese. India ranks third in the world in manganese production. Uses of manganese. It is the most important mineral for making iron and steel. It is also used for manufacturing bleaching powder, insecticides, dry batteries and china clay. It makes steel strong, removes impurities and makes it immune to rusting. Manganese is also used in the manufacture of ferromanganese, silicomanganese and chrome manganese, and it is also used in paints. Distribution of manganese. Odisha is the largest producer of manganese in India. Karnataka is the second largest producer. Other states are Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh. Third is bauxite. India is the third largest producer of bauxite in the world. Uses of bauxite. Bauxite is the raw material for making aluminium. It is used for making aircrafts, ships and utensils. It is used in electrical industry for its good conductivity. Bauxite is also used in cement, chemicals, soda cans and dishwashers. Distribution in India. Odisha, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Copper. Copper is highly ductile, that is, it is able to be drawn out into a thin wire, strong and good conductor of electricity. Uses. In the early days of civilization, copper were used for making arms, ammunitions and utensils. Copper is in great demand in the industrial field because of its high ductility and high thermal and electrical conductivity. It is mainly used in electrical machinery, automobile industry, stainless steel and telephones. Copper is also used in railway equipment industry and other engineering works. Copper, fairly resistant to atmospheric corrosion, is widely used for making alloys such as brass, which is a mixture of copper and zinc, and with tin as bronze. Distribution of copper. Madhya Pradesh has become the largest producer of copper in India. Other states are Rajasthan, Jharkhand. Here ends the first part of this chapter.